morning, everyone. Welcome to our mock job interview for an IT position. Today, HR Diki will interview two fresh graduates, Gilfan and Senu.
Listen carefully. After a few moments, I'll give you quick tips on how to answer effectively. This conversation will be started by Tiki as the interviewer.
Good morning, Gilpan and Zeno. Thank you for coming. Let's start with brief introduction.
The first step, use the past, present, future structure background, current skill, and what you aim to contribute.
Good morning, Mr. Diki. My name is Gilvan Alari Zakaria. I recently graduated with a bachelor degree in information system from Amikom University of Yogyakarta. During my study, I focus on full stack web development. For my capstone project, I create a web-based system for selling event tickets for campus concert. This project helped reduce manual work by 17% and give me hands-on experience in building real software solutions. I'm proficient in JavaScript, React, and SQL, and I earned an AWS Cloud Practitioner certificate in April. I enjoy learning new technologies and solving real problems with simple and effective code. Beyond academics, I was active in the University Coding Club, where I served as a leader for 2 semesters. This helped me improve my teamwork, leadership, and communication skill. Now I'm excited to bring my technical and software skill into the professional world. I hope to contribute to Tech Solution Company by helping build reliable, user-friendly application while continuing to grow through mentorship, collaboration, and real-world challenge.
Good morning, Mr. Diki. I'm Zainal Kanantara Susila. I also a recent information system graduate from Amikom University of Yogyakarta. I have a strong interest in data analysis and back-end development. During my studies, I developed an Android-based online canteen ordering system where I focus on data structuring and back-end logic. I also contribute to a web-based event ticketing system, optimizing SQL queries and refining database design to support smoother data access and reporting. Within projects, I've spent time learning Excel, SQL, and BigQuery to build dashboard and perform data analysis. I've also explored basic Python and for data cleaning and data visualization, and I'm currently expanding into tools like Pandas, Tableau to deepen my analytics skill. I'm eager to contribute to your data-driven projects and build a solid foundation as a data analyst in the field.
The second tips, notice both candidates' quantified achievements numbers, make stories credible.
Gilvan, could you describe a time you faced a technical setback and how you solve it?
Sure, in my final project, our payment API started giving 500 errors 2 days before the demo. I added detailed log and found out the problem was because we hit the red limit. I fixed it by using exponential backoff and local caching. The error rate dropped from 18% to less than 1% in 1 hour.
The next tips is using STAR, situation, task, action, and result, to structure answer.
Zeno, why do you want to join Tech Solution Company specifically?
Because your company is known for decision making, I inspired by your open source contribution and would love to adding my skills in Python and data modeling to accelerate your roadmap.
The next tips is always tie your motivation to the employer's goals. It shows research and genuine interest.
Thank you both. Do you have any question for me before we conclude?
Yes, how does Tech Solution Company support continuous learning for junior engineers?
I'd like to ask what success metrics will you use during my first 6 years?
The last tips, finish strong, forward-looking question about growth, impact, and culture.
Good question. We provide an annual training budget and pair you hire with mentor. Success is measured via code quality, velocity, and collaboration score. We'll share full detail after this round. Thank you again. We'll reach out within a week.
That concludes our mock interview. Review the tips, tell your stories, and practice out loud.
Remember, quantify results, like with company goals and ask insightful questions. Good luck.